Let us solve x squared plus 3x minus 4 equals 0 using the completing the square method. So again, we want to make sure the value of the a is 1, and it is, because x squared, remember x squared is 1x squared. Alright, so, and then we move a constant to the right of the equal sign. So we have x squared plus 3x equal to 4. And then divide the value of the b by 2. What's the b value? 3. So we divide that by 2. Square the result. To square a fraction, we square numerator and denominator. And then we add it to both sides. So we end up with x squared plus 3x. We'll add the 9 over 4 to both sides. So 9 over 4 to the left. And then we do the same thing to the right hand side. And here we have our perfect square. So we split the x squared here, so we have x. Keep that sign. Half the b value. Or put the b value over 2. In other words, this is a perfect square. If we should expand this bracket, we'll end up with x squared plus 3x plus 9 over 4. And you can try it. X plus 3 over 2 times x plus 3 over 2 will yield this result here. And then what's 4 plus 9 over 4? No, 4. Can you rewrite 4 as 4 over 1? And we want the denominator to be 4, so we can multiply by 4. And we can multiply that by 4. So what we end up with is 4 times 4, that's 16 over 4. Plus 9 over 4. So we have here x plus 3 over 2 all square is equal to what? 16 plus 9? 25, so it's 25 over 4. And now we take the square root of both sides, so we root both sides. So we take the square root of the left hand side. We get x plus 3 over 2. And we take the square root of the right hand side. So plus or minus, a square of fraction. Root of fraction, sorry. So the square root of the numerator, that's 5. And the square root of the denominator, that's 2. So we bring over the positive 3 over 2. So x equal minus 3 over 2 plus or minus 5 over 2. And there we can break it up now and say x is minus 3 over 2 by minus 3 over 2 plus the 5 over 2. So in one case add. Or x equal to minus 3 over 2 minus 5 over 2. So up top here, the denominators are the same, so we can just go ahead and add or subtract the numerators, right? Negative 3 plus 5 is 2. So what you'll have is actually 2 over 2, which is 1. Here, same denominator, so we can just subtract numerator minus 3 minus 5, that's minus 8. And minus 8 divided by 2, that's minus 4. So the solutions are x equal to 1, x equal to minus 4. And of course we can always try our answers. Let me just try 1. If x is 1, 1 square is 1, right? 1 square is 1. If x is 1, 3 times 1, that's 3. So 1 plus 3, and then you have a minus 4. Will give us 0. Same thing on the right hand side. Let's try Let's try negative 4 and see what happens. If x is negative 4, then we have negative 4 square. You square negative 4, what you get? Positive 16. That's 3 times negative 4. Negative 12. And you have this negative 4 here. So 16 minus 12, that's 4. Take away 4, that's 0. So we are confident these solutions are correct. X equal 1 or x equal to negative 4.